An oscillator consists of a block of mass 0.5 kg connected to a spring. When set into oscillation with an amplitude of 0.35, the oscillator repeats its motion every 0.5 seconds. So the first question says, determine the period. Now, period is the time taken for the motion to repeat itself. In this case, the motion repeats itself after 0.5 seconds, so our period is 0.5 seconds. Then this is easy for us to find the frequency, because frequency is 1 over period. So 1 over half gives us 2 Hertz. Part C is asking for the angular frequency, of which angular frequency omega, we can just use the formula 2 pi frequency. So omega is equals to 2 pi, frequency is 2. So omega is simply 4 pi radians per second. Then part D is asking for the spring constant. So to find the spring constant, we use the formula omega is equals to the square root of k over m. If I square both sides, this will give us omega squared is equals to k over m. If I cross multiply, then k is equals to m times omega squared. So mass we're given as half, and omega is 4 pi. So let's see what we get as a value of k. So 4 pi squared multiplied by half. So our spring constant is 78.96 newtons per meter. Then part E is asking for the maximum speed. So maximum speed or velocity max is given by amplitude times omega. So velocity max, now remember amplitude we're given in the question, so we'll just say 0.35 multiplied by our omega, which was 4 pi. So let's see what we get as our velocity max. So 0.35 multiplied by 4 pi. This gives us 4.4 meters per second as our maximum speed. Then lastly, for the force, we're told to say calculate the maximum force. So to find the maximum force, we're going to use the formula F is equals to kx. But remember, x is displacement, and since we want maximum force, then we're going to use maximum displacement. Now maximum displacement is amplitude. So maximum force is equals to, our spring constant was 78.96. Our amplitude is 0.35. So let's see what to get. 78.96 multiplied by 0.35. This gives us 27.6 as our maximum force. So maximum force is 27.6 newtons. So there we have it.